ngisafuna sengiqedile ngiyaphela.
Hayi ngeke kulunge lokho, ngeke kulunge hayi la.
Awufuna simfonele.
So yaphi manje?
Ayisebenzi kanjalo le, ayisebenzi kanjalo hayi. Konke lokho engikwenzayo angifiseli ukwenza. Maybe sekwenziswa utshwala ngiphuzayo.
Manje, what's this abuse thingy that's going on?
Angimabuse ngiyamthanda uthando.
Uyamthanda.
Angisamfuni, hence that's why ngikula kule show because of angifuni Thabo.
Yo, with your boy Am, it is what it is before it was what it was. This is Save My Relationship brought to you by Spread Inc. Entertainment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. On today's episode, Mpete Utando bringing Utabo. Let's get into it.
Hi guys, igama lami nguThando. Ngikula ku Save My Relationship because of ngine abusive boyfriend and futhi ngicabanga ukuthi ngi-end vele relationship because ngiyamezele isikhathi eside. Kodwa mina ngiyamthanda but ayengisakhona ukuqhubeka.
Yo, it's your boy Am. It is what it is before it was what it was. This is Save My Relationship brought to you by Spread Inc. Entertainment. As I said to you guys, I'm gonna be having Utabo. It's Tabo. Your man is Tabo, ne?
Yeah.
And your name again?
Thando.
Tabo and Tando. Yes, being is confuser. Tando, no Tabo. It's kind of confusing, guys. So nithandane ngamagama vele.
Injalo ya.
Sithandane nje because vele besifuna ukuthandana vele.
Oh, okay. Uba noshele munye.
Into econnected.
Oh, connected. Woshele
imini engiconnected naye.
Thando ne?
Yeah.
No Thabo.
Yebo.
Yo, abuthi nje kuphela ngiconfuse mina bengingasazi ngisho ngathi uthando nothando, Thabo noThabo, noma uThando. Okay, ni happy guys, good relationship yan?
Mina ngihappy but
umnandi
ngazi kenzakalani notshelo wami yazi unyama attitude.
So Thando, does she know, does your man know ukuthi uzeleni ku Save My Relationship?
Akazi.
Ngoba ngiyabona ujabule kakhulu na ujabulanga. Maybe he thinks kunama gifts lana. Okay, let me just break down this thing for you. This is Save My Relationship. So igama lesho is Save My Relationship ne. It's about to save a relationship and you go ngokubuza ukuthi like do you know ukuthi uzeleni kule show yethu? Uyangithola? Bongazi. Okay, is there something going on ku relationship yenu mhlawumbe?
Yeah, there's a bit of distance. We're not understanding each other, mina nalo ntombazana. But what I know is that this girl, she's the one that was meant for me. And uyangithanda.
Wena amthanda?
Ngiyamthanda nami.
Oh, now uyamthanda. So Thando, do you wanna tell him ukuthi umziseleni kule show le?
Ngicela wena bhuti umtshele because ngiyamazi umuntu wami unjani.
Okay.
Yeah.
Unjani umuntu wakho? Maybe I need to hear it from you. Umuntu wakho unjani?
Umuntu abusive.
Your man is abusive.
Unolaka nje. Yeah.
Okay, as you see guys, okay, I forgot to introduce Lona Slim. That's gonna be monitoring the situation, guys. Uthando told us ukuthi umuntu wakhe is abusive kwezinye khathi, so we need to have someone to lamula the situation. So yeah, bathu nolaka ke Thabo nangazi sibe kanjani.
Cha bafo mina lo ntombazana ngimthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke.
Manje uzama ukuthi uthando lolu ukuthi manje ungishaya ngithola ama condom asetshenzisiwe lapha emotweni yakho ube wazi kahle mina nawe asiwasebenzisi so uthando lona lolo
Ama condom akusawa wami akumngani wami.
Ha umngani wakho.
Mara ke wakutshela ukuthi uthola ama condom emotweni yakho sister.
Hayi cha akazi.
Akaza kutshela. So inja lento le kuwe.
Inja nayo vele lama condom lawa vele bewakhona vele lapho masiye church nje unganamsho ukuthi ngeFriday masiye clubini ufike nabantwana nje la emotweni but angazi bekwenzakalani mina bengiyekho.
Umngani wakho so uyazi ukuthi unama condoms emotweni?
Umngani wami uyena ofikile but angazi bekazama ukuimplya ini lapha namake eshiya ama condom wakhe emotweni mina bebele ngenzeni kahle mangithola ama condom emotweni.
Wethu uzoyeka nina amanga?
Ngiyakuthanda baby.
Oh Thando.
Ngiyakuthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke.
The way you saying ukuthi uyamthanda, it's like you've done something, you know, uvela uthi ngiyakuthanda angakacedi ukukhuluma lento afuna ukukutshela yona.
Ngifuna umbonisa ukuthi vele ngiyamthanda inhliziyo yami ngiinvestela kuye.
Have you cheated on Uthando?
No, I've never.
You've never cheated. So the condoms, asikhulumi ngama-condoms asemotweni. What's going on ngama-condom?
Ama-condoms akomngani wami.
Awuzama ukukhuluma iqiniso. Ama-condoms ngangithiwa kumele uclean. Like lana it's like I'm sensing amanga. Ngoba I don't understand. Umngani wakho yena ukhelezi ngale ndlela leyo. Angithi uyazi nomuntu.
Ama-condom akusawami.
Uyawaphika lama-condom.
Akusawami ama-condom. Nyasho wesi-3 awusawami ama-condom.
Uyayibona? Yiyo yona lento le ngikhuluma ngayo le. Yazini Thabo, mina sengiqedile ngiyayiqeda le relationship angisafuni ukuba la.
Iphela kanjani indaba relationship omtshela? Wenzani lo muntu? Ngubani lona manje lo ngibambayo ngubani lo? Ngubani lo uze naye la?
Wena
Wenzani lo baba?
no angithi ukubambile ugayi la. For into eziso.
Hayibo.
So wena vele uthanda ukulona kahle kahle.
Ayilutho kanjani lo mntana lo intombazana yami ngithanda ngenhliziyo yami
Thabo
yonke.
angisakufuni. Sengiyayiphelisa mina le relationship angisakufuni.
Okay, thi ngikhulume nomuntu wakho. Wangasamfunda angitshela ukuthi okay wangasamfunda.
Khathele ngihlezi mina uThabo uyangishaya. Nje unamanga uyacheata nje angeke ngisakwazi.
How long have you guys been dating?
It's been 1 year 6 months manje.
1 year 6 months.
Yeah.
Akusinto yakudala moslento le. Nihlala nonke.
Yeah.
So how did you guys move in together within a space of 1 year 6 months?
Ukuthi uThabo uyayazi situation yasekhaya ukuthi njani. So njeba engumuntu ongunderstandayo. So angingamkela ukuthi ngihlale naye.
Okay.
Still.
So yena maybe uthatha advantage ngoba uhlala kwakhe ne?
Ngoba yazi le situation yasekhaya.
Beka nomuntu uThabo lesikhathi umthwala.
Azimo.
Thabo bona umuntu lesikhathi
Bengena muntu lo mntana lona bengimthanda vele mangihlangana naye ngivile ngamthanda same time. You know when this is
So-
love at first sight.
okay, love at first sight. Manje what's this abuse thingy that's going on?
Where is the abuse here? Where's the abuse?
No, angithi khona manje uthi akasakufuni wena ufuna ukusukuma. Why ufuna ukusukuma? Ufuna kwenza?
Ayika mina bengifuna ukusondela nje ngikhulume naye ekuduzeni sikhulume kahle. Sikhulume kahle. Njengesithandwa sami.
Sala angisakufuni sengiqedile ngiyaphela.
Hayi ngeke kulunge lokho, ngeke kulunge. Hayi la. Mina nawe sizoyiqeda endlini.
Nizoyiqeda endlini kanjani? Yabona that
Sizofika sikhulume endlini no.
That's-
Sikhuluma nje namanje.
Kodwa manje that sounds abusive here. That's like
The mood. You took me out of the mood. How am I gonna sort this here?
Cela mina ningincede. Ngoba lo muntu angisamfuni.
awusamfuni. So you came to this show ukuthi uzoenda i-relationship yakho naye. You not saving i-relationship.
Nje angisevi. Ngibile la ngiyayenda.
Mntana yikho into eyendayo la.
Bosathi uthi ufuna sikusiza ukuthi uqede i-relationship yakho. So awusamfuni.
Angisamfuni mina.
Did you think about it before you came to the show which is like awusamfuni?
Angisamfuni. Hence that's why ngikula kule show because of angifuni Thabo. Ngipha ama chances are enough.
You've been giving him ama-chances.
Chances cabanga ukunyamezela. For 1 year 6 months nginyamezela ngihlala naye lo muntu lo.
When did this abuse thing came about? Iqale nini i-abuse?
Iqala ngokuthi ngihambe ngiphume nabangani bami.
Uba jealous mawuphumela abangani bakho?
Noma ukuthi nje ubhuti ume la eduze kwami noma ukuthi ngixoxa nomfana nje ivele nje ngimsusile nje.
Ulwa nawe phambi kwabantu noma in private?
Phambi kwabantu hayi but nje masiphakathi endlini vele nje ayiqale nje because unokubuya nje mayiphuzile ayisuse nje.
Ngiyakuthanda dala. Konke lokho engikwenzayo angifiseli ukwenza. Maybe sekwenziswa utshwala engiphuzayo. But mina ngithanda wena. Konginikele ngithuba. I know I made some blunders back in the day and recently. But baby girl, Thando, I love you with all my heart. Can you please give me another chance?
How do you love umuntu abuser?
I'm abused. Maybe it's because of the current situation, what's going on into Nkwatisayo. But basically, I'm a proper person. I'm not an angry person. Sekusho manje izinto ezenzothando izona ezinkwatisayo.
Ziyakwatiza bese you end up becoming physical.
Then I become very violent. And when
So you're now agreeing with when you am abuser.
I'm abused. Ngiyamthanda uThando.
Uyamthanda.
Yes. Angivumi ngiyamthanda uThando mina.
So okay,
Good, maybe the abuse, it's in the love.
have you cheated on umuntu wakho like I asked you before?
No,
You have never cheated.
never cheated.
And the number condoms that are found in the car.
Ona lama condom la ngikutshelile ngathi akusingawami. Angazi mina, I don't know anything about those condoms.
Who's this friend of yours onama or oshiya ama condoms emotweni yakho?
Ufuna naye igama singambiza nala aze nala naye.
Singazama ukumfonela mhlambe sikhulume naye. Simbuze ukuthi ama condom akabani ushiya ama condom naye emotweni yakho ngoba there's awufuna simfonele.
So happy manje.
Ayisebenzi kanjalo le, ayisebenzi kanjalo hayi.
Ayisebenzi kanjalo futhi masithi ayisebenzi kanjalo.
Angeke abangani bami ngeke baba abangani bakho angeke isebenze kanjalo angeke.
Angithi sithi simfonele.
Azoyenzani because ungumngani nami.
Angithi uthi amakhondoma uwathole emotweni kamngani wakho angithi. So masimfo uphikelani ke manje awayi.
What if nje yena uyena bekawasebenzisa ngalelo langa?
Hawu.
So why ungafuni simfonele umuntu wakho ubani sorry umngani wakho?
Ama reasons are confidential akumelanga nje abe la. Akumelanga akwazi nokuthi mina ngila even.
Akazi ukuthi kule show uzo save relationship yakho. Akazi ukuthi unenkinga endlini.
Awazi nix akumelanga afike.
So manje masingamfonela at least somfonela nje kuphela thina. Mina I'll call ngenumber yami. Ngimtshela ukuthi there is some investigation we're doing. Kunama condoms atholakala emotweni yakho and they wanna run ama test to see ukuthi like ezakabani into lezi. So we ask him to come clean before we do the investigation ngoba he's being blamed.
Angivumi. He's not in South Africa, my friend. He left South Africa this morning.
So awuvumi ukuthi simfonele umuntu umngani wakho.
Even his number noma ungayifonela ayingeni naku voicemail. Ikhona ngithi he left South Africa this morning.
Thando, I think you can just add one and one also you come up with ama answers wakho.
Ayikho nje ukele into le futhi. Ayikho.
Yes.
Please babe, just give me another chance. The problem is that lama camera la wonke owalethe la, they are not making any sense to me. Me ndosihlangane ngaphambi kwama camera. Manje indaba yethu siphela just cause kunama camera. Why?
Thabo.
Are you like this? Have you been like this?
Thabo. Cela nje wasebenzisa ukuthi angisakufuni sengiqedile mina manje. Khathele ukunyameza, ngikhathele nje ukunyameza yonke lento engenzayo.
Mina ngisakuthanda. Mina ngiyakuthanda vele. Ngeke uzushintsha uthando lami.
Then uzomthola maybe lo ozomthanda right ngaleyo ndlela leyo ozokwazi ukunyamezela yonke lento le. Mina sengiqedile. Ngiyaphuma.
Sesoyenza kanjani manje because vele
Sesoyenza kanjani usho ukuthini masithoyenza kanjani?
Because vele bese ngiplanile ukuthi ngizovakashela abazali bako ngiyobhadalela lobola.
Angisafuni mina yonke lento.
But mina ngikuthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke. Serious.
So with what he said, which bafuna ukubana abazali bakho in regards of ilobola, do you you also rejecting that?
Yeah, reject nje.
So okay, you thought about it before you came to the show, which okay, today when now you are ending things, no Thabo lana.
Yeah.
Permanently. Have you tried ending things before when he was violent and all that?
Cause bengisaba.
Bosaba.
Yeah.
So can I imagine you have the courage to tell him without some phone?
Yeah.
Thabo, I think the right decision to make is you just fulfill ama wishes akhe which akasakufuni and then now you have to make peace.
But she's all I have. If I lose her, what am I gonna have?
You're gonna find someone else. Mhlambe when you need to fix the situation of ukuphuza ngithola maybe utshwala bukenza uthi kube this fine.
Amajida. Amajida ngeke.
Awubashiya amajida.
Amajida. Uyabona mina namajida. Amajida ngeke ngize washi. Uyabona lona ngimthanda but vele amajida ngeke ngishiye amajida for yena but yena ngimthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke.
Ayikho yonke lento leyo.
So I think give her space sakhe yabona when just let her go free yabo. Set her free.
You know there's
Ngendlela kahle ngoba she's here for us to also assist her ukuthi akudampe ngoba she couldn't do this thing on her own endlini ngithola because she knows that when you are violent just let her go yabo.
but
Maybe you can be friends
But hello, Mr.
Mara,
Presenter.
letting
Mr. Presenter, these things, there is a way to solve these things, Mos.
this is
There's a very easy way.
we are solving it. The easy way to solve this thing is to end the relationship. Ngoba akasakufuni. We cannot force.
Kungekho wena Mr. Presenter, ufunani la wena Presenter?
Sikhuluma naye, angithi sikhulume naye wasitshela ukuthi like yena she wants to end things. She didn't come to save my relationship. Asked us ukuthi okay, if I come to your show, mara not to save a relationship, to end the relationship, will you guys help me? We said yes. So we are here on the behalf of her wishes.
So wena ungumjita, nami ungumjita but akumoshele.
Angikumoshele uzimoshele ngendaba okumabuse umuntu wakho.
Umoshele already, umoshele. Kanje
Amoshanga
umoshele.
lutho la, amoshanga lutho.
Lumntana ngiyamthanda ngicela ungikhulumele naye.
Nangla, it's not like she's not there. Nangla, ukuzwile ukuthi uyamthanda inathi akasakuthandi. Show ukuthi she stopped loving you from way back. Bekabekezele nje kuphela ngazi bekabekezeleni ngoba it's an abusive relationship. First signs of abuse, you need to just let go of a relationship leyo. So yena she's been there for 1 year 6 months. Uthe ecaleni nento le abuse.
Qale last year.
Icale last year when I wabambezela for thinking the person will change.
I've changed.
You just like that.
I've changed. I know now I've changed. Now I've changed. I promise. As soon as we go out here, I'm a different man.
Anything you want to say?
Sengiqedile.
You are still sticking to your word.
Ngihlele nje angikho into engifuna ukuyisho.
Okay, I guess sizoyivala ngokuthi your guys' relationship is over and please make peace ngayo. We can close it angithi Thabo. So are you making peace ukuthi like wena nomuntu wakho you are parting ways? Uma ngokwakhe and then na if she has something, do you have anything eyakhe? What do you have eyakhe that you can give to her in a respectful way? Ningalwi angithona.
As long as enehamba engasabuyi nje endlini lami nje laphana engasabuyi ushiya ama week wakhe ushiya ama episode wakhe ngale endlini, but she must never just arrive there the door unginyanyisile unkwathisile shema.
So can we go with you guys utshola into zakhe at least? Ngoba that's what her wishes were.
Angisafuna ukumbona endlini yami ngisho nasemnyangweni wasendlini yami.
No, khona manje sizosuka la siye la nihlala khona. We take ama weaves wakhe and whatever she's taking, she's going back home.
Nina nizile la nazongibhayizisa. Senifuna ukuya nasendlini yami, nifuna ungibhayizisa nasendlini yami futhi.
As by this, we're going to fetch what belongs. So what we're going to do here, Slim, is we have to go with this guy to his place and then we get ama wigs and clothes and whatever. What else we getting that from?
Just nje impahla.
Impahla zakho nama wigs wakho. Furniture, there's no furniture that you bought. Nothing. So are we able to do that, to go to this guy's house? You're going to just go with them to their house and then we'll follow you guys. And then, yeah, when uzamba naye and then mina come with Usista, we collect everything that belongs to Usis.
Yeah, Zamba phambili uzonikeza location.
Okay, so we go with that, right? So humble, like we have to go in a humble way, like we said, we learn into zakhe, impahla zakhe, and then
Ngifuna izinto zakhe kuphela.
sifuna into zakhe, just her things.
Angibhayizisi
Next.
again.
Yeah.
Next.
Yeah.
I make peace.
You make peace. So it is what it is. So,
Yeah.
go right. It is what it is. Before it was what it was. It's your boy M signing out as we're going to fetch Intoza Gatando Gutabo. We out.